Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough charge. This avoids interruptions during changes. Open Settings, then go to Additional Settings and tap Developer Options. Once inside Developer Options, locate the USB debugging switch near the bottom of the list. You need Developer Options visible. If it is not, go to About Phone and tap Build number 7 times to enable it, then return to Developer Options to proceed immediately with the next step. Now you'll flip the USB debugging toggle off. This removes ADB access from connected computers. Tap the switch labeled USB debugging, and when a confirmation dialog appears, confirm that you want to disable it so the phone stops accepting debugging connections. Once turned off, choose Revoke USB debugging authorizations to clear any previously trusted computers. Doing so prevents reauthorization without you explicitly agreeing. Make sure Developer Options remains enabled only as long as you need it. Then continue to verify the change. Finish by reconnecting the USB cable and confirming the phone no longer shows an ADB or file transfer prompt. It should default to charging only. Once done, restart the phone to ensure the setting is applied across services. If you still see debugging behavior, check Developer Options to confirm USB debugging remains off and revoke authorizations again. Troubleshooting tip: if USB debugging can't be toggled off or Developer Options is missing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.